Let's learn about C programming today. So, what we know about programming, C programming. C is a programming language. So, what is a language? A language is a way to speak. So, if we talk about a computer language, that means way to speak to a computer. All right. So, the normal languages that we speak in are English, French, Spanish, German. But these languages are uh, interpreted by humans. But computers, they need computer language. So one of them is C programming language. And there are different languages like Python, C++, Java, and many more. So you don't need to learn all of them if you just want to understand programming. So this C programming is just a way to understand how computers work, how the things happens in a computer, how the memory is working, and the rest of the thing. So now let's talk about how things work. So when you write anything in C, you mean you are coding. So when you code, let's write it nicely. When you code, you are giving instructions. Code means giving instructions to the computer. So let's say I want to give computer instructions to print hello. So I gave this into the computer. This is the CPU, and then it gave me an output on the monitor as hello. This is basically what is the main idea of the program. So when you write code, you create a file. That file is called a program. Okay, a code file is called a program. A program means a set of instructions. So what I'm my goal is to make you understand how things work rather than how to learn how to code, rather than cram every C code and the details and the headlines. I want you to know how computers work and how to see things in a practical way rather than just learning how the C programming language, how to write code. So, better said, now if the code have some errors, then the computer will not give you an output, not give you the desired output, will be an error. So output would be not there. So instead of print, so this is print. Computer understands this. But what if I say something like G H F G O T D F, anything, just anything, O P T. So, and I give this in a computer. This is the monitor. So this CPU, it will just get mad. error because it doesn't understand. It can't interpret what is this written. So this is an error. So no output. Hence it will print error in code. So the instructions which we are writing, let's switch the color to, let's say, green. So the code should be error free. So now to code, give correct code to the computer, we should learn a programming language. So that's why today we will learn C. We have to learn C. C is a good programming language. It helps to uh, better manage memory. Pardon my spellings. Memory well, a good grasp of concepts, and what else? So that's it. So